Hey guys, just got home with the cheapest gas grill Walmart makes. This is the Expert grill. I bought this grill not because I'm cheap. I actually own a 5-burner nice grill made by Next Grill that I bought at Home Depot, and hey, I'll even put a end screen at the end of this video if you want to check that out. It's a really nice grill. I bought this mainly because it's portable. If I want to take the grandkids somewhere, go on a picnic, we can cook some hot dogs. You know, you never know, you want to go out fishing, you want to cook you a little something, hey, you use this. So let me tell you just a little bit about it, and then we'll unbox it. It says it'll cook up to 9 burgers. It's 178 square inches, porcelain coated steel cooking grate, 10,000 BTU cooking, and a 1-year warranty. Now this is what gas you use. You can buy these at Walmart or wherever. They're not very expensive and they'll last forever. So that's just a little propane bottle. Also for $25 you don't get a self lighter, so you need to pick you up something to light it with. I just got that. I think that was 97 cents, but you can use a match or cigarette lighter or whatever. So hey, let's open this up and see what it's inside. Well, there's the cooking tray. I could get some instructions. There's the hardware. There's your gas knob. Burner. There's the legs. And there's the top and the bottom. I don't know what's in this box. And that looks like the handles. Well, I'm not going to sit here and make you watch me put it together. I'm going to speed it up, but at the end I'll tell you about how long it took and what I had trouble with. So let's get started. Well, that's what it looks like put together. It took me about 15 minutes. If I had to do a second one, I could probably cut about 5 minutes off because I messed up twice, which only cost me a couple minutes. But that's what it looks like. With the top comes off. There's what the insides look like. Propane bottle goes right here. Let's fold it up and see what it looks like folded up. All right, that's what it looks like folded up. That ought to be easy to take out and cook you some hot dogs, but I feel relatively certain it'll cook hot dogs. I bought a couple of New York strips, 10 bucks a piece. $20 for 2 steaks, only give 25 for the whole grill. So, hey, let's see if it'll cook a steak. If it'll cook a steak, we ain't got any problems. Let's go. Well, as you can see, I've got my New York strips all marinated and ready to go, but before I get started, I want to mention a couple of things. First of all, the only tool that was required to put this together was a Phillips screwdriver. Second, here's where the propane bottle goes. It just screws on right there. The owner's manual recommends that you check this for leaks, and it gives you some instructions on how to do that. I'm not going to go over it out here, but there is some instructions in the owner's manual. And the third thing, being it's brand new, they recommend you light it and run it on high for 15 minutes, you know, just to get all the new wore off of it. So, hey, let's put these steaks on and we'll see what it does. All right, to light this, all we want to do is we want to turn our gas on, take our lighter, and you can either stick it right in here or you can stick it right up here. Click it, and she's lit. All right, there's $20 worth of meat on a $20 grill. Let's let it go and we'll see what it looks like. Well, I think they're done. Let's check them. Ooh, baby, them look like some good steaks to me. Well, if you're looking for an inexpensive grill to use on picnics or, hey, just for small cooking around the house, I think this Expert grill at Walmart may be your answer. For $25, I don't see a thing in the world wrong with it. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, if it helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.